Hello everybody, I want to share with you a review of our newest project, a set of OCT bag and a nest rack. Old Grow's treasure bag and nest rack make a great couple that is extremely good for commuting, daily rides and few day adventures. Rack consists of two parts, steering ring and rack itself. Also it's stocked with detachable mount for a front light. The rack attaches to the steering ring with two bolts and a strap. And also you may use the OCT bag without a front rack. But with the nest rack you may use OCT bag without attaching it to the handlebar. We designed the bag to be fast and easily installed, so you should take your treasury and put it exactly on the nest. It's easy to remove it as well, like this, and use as a shoulder bag. It's really convenient for commuting and coffee rides, isn't it? Let's talk about the features of OCT bag. On the top it has flat pockets for smartphone, wallet or whatever you need for fast access. One-handed operated pockets on the sides of the bag for shoulder strap, rain cover, wind or rain jackets. And here place for attaching some lights, maybe badges and so on, and also flat pocket for storing candy wrappers. Let's look inside of the bag. We have here two flat pockets, one perfectly for Dyneema ultralight wallet, and another is transparent pocket with a northwest part of compass, and we are located exactly in the northwest part of Ukraine. This is tightened strap. You may use it for keeping the sides of the bag from getting overweights. Then inside you see a shock cord net that holds stuff inside of the bag. Inside the main compartment you will find a flat zipper pocket. I place lots of tools, pump here, and shock cord for key buckle. One voluminous pocket, you see a spare tube in it, and on the opposite side flat pocket. Drain holes on the very bottom in case something goes wrong. As with any treasury, OCT bag has secret places and some hidden features, and I bet it will be interesting to play and find a use for each of them.